Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang walla bing bang. Ooh.
Oh wait, I think since I know.
I've never heard
And
Trying to get the perfect marshmallow.
I just want an excuse for a base.
Did you get yours open, bub?
Chocolate ones, surprisingly.
We had normal chocolate stuffed, and then Hunter has, what's that one?
The
Chocolate on chocolate.
y'all can have those. I don't really like
You don't like them? Well, you gotta heat it up, Bubba. It'll probably taste better.
I don't really like them.
Oh, okay.
S'mores.
Oh my gosh, I just felt it. Oh no, I thought it was sizzling, but it wasn't. It was the thing going down to the end.
Surprised these flames aren't burning up.
I feel like it's gonna fall off the tip of my thingy.
Oh, we got flamer.
Don't fling it. Remember Dennis the Menace? Don't fling the marshmallow.
Oh, I got a big stretch, Mom. Watch out. Yeah.
Oh,
All you gotta do is just turn it real fast.
Yum.
And then
we're supposed to have Halloween music, y'all. What happened?
Dad ruined
I don't know,
it.
but I like
Dad
it.
ruined it.
I like it. There's a lot of base stuff in it.
Yes. Look how ooey gooey.
Yas, queen.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Boop.
Yas, queen.
Can't feed a free recipe. Rocky Balboa guy.
There. Hey, this.
Bear's first beach trip.
There. Yeah. Go dig. Dig, dig, dig.
Kylie's teaching him to dig.
He's just. Oh, he's digging. Good. Come on, dig, guys. Oh. Come here. Wait, I'm wondering if I bury this into a dig. Come on. Go.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Give me.
Hurry, hurry, bury it.
Yes? Go.
He didn't see it. Aww.
No, it's okay.
Kylie, show him how you taught Bear to dig. He's trying to dig up all kinds of stuff now. Kylie showed him if you move the sand, there's stuff underneath. Dig, Bear, dig. Dig, dig. It's so cute.
Hunter! I taught the dog how to dig.
He thinks he caught a shark. And my kids were just swimming right there. I mean, I know it's no surprise, it's the ocean. There's sharks in there, but let's see what it is. This thing's massive. It's not a shark. It looks like a redfish. Oh my gosh. That is massive. Yeah, buddy.
That's my goal for catch.
Let him get it. It's Hunter. Hunter. In my tackle box, some pliers. I gotta get him back before he dies.
Can you not keep them that size?
No, they're too big. You can't keep them here. No, that's a green stuff.
And he's trying.
Louisiana, you can keep them here. They gotta be under 27.
What is he?
Discovered a path. We're gonna go see where it leads to. Let's hope we don't get lost. We found a Sophie cat. Oh, she's so sweet. There's one named Oliver that lives on the other block. What does his tag say, Kai?
I'm not homeless.
I'm not homeless.
My name's Oliver.
It's so cute. I know, it's so sweet.
Can I have you?
No, we don't steal people's kitties.
Okay.
Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us this weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how you liked it, some things you might like to see coming up. I'm definitely fixing to start sharing a lot more recipes that I've been trying. I'm down now about close to 15 pounds, so I'm super excited. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.